Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag, she in a bag, she drip, she swag, never mad, she glad, Louis bag, she in a bag,
Look, mama needs some meal money, Prada bag and heel money. See my ex, he still love me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, whichever one it is. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, I might need a lawyer, okay? So, if you watched my previous video where I was talking about someone stealing my car, then you know what the real story is on how my car, poof, be gone. So, if you didn't see that video, I would go check it out and then come back and watch this one because it'll make a little bit more sense. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. So basically, the job that I was super excited about that I got, they offered me all this money, whatever. I was super ecstatic about the job. It was in the field that I wanted to be in. Everything was everything. Besides me not getting paid on time. So basically, I worked for a month until I got my first and second paycheck. So, as we all know, we have bills, we have obligations, we have things to take care of, things to pay for. So, since I did not get my money in time, I couldn't make my car note. So, in my contract with my car, they only allow you to miss one payment, and they only give you a week to make that payment. So you have a week grace period. So I think it's 5 to 7 days of a grace period. I was in communication with the person, person that handles my my car note case, whatever you want to call it. That I'm letting them know, like, hey, I'm just waiting on it. Job is saying this, job is saying that. Like, I'm just waiting on it. Like, I'm not paying it because I don't want to. I'm just waiting on them to send me this money. So, yeah, car gets repoed. So, of course, as soon as I get my money, my first check ever and my next check, I call immediately, make my payment or whatever, and I go and I pick up my car. So, the next day after I get my car, I go to work and I, explain to them, like, well, they are already aware of the situation when the car got taken because I went to work, like, check it out. When is this check coming? Blah, blah, blah. So they knew all what was going on. They knew that what happened with my car. They knew that they didn't pay me. Like, they knew everything. So after I got the car, I went back and I was like, hey, you know what? I think that it's only right that you guys reimburse me the repossession fee. They charged me $275 for taking my car. So I think that it's, since the error was on you guys' end and it was your fault why I didn't get paid on time and couldn't pay my bill on time, I think you guys should reimburse me the $275. So the manager was like, okay, I'll take it to, the higher up and blah, blah. He's like, because I agree, that's the least we can do. And some of the other managers were saying the same thing, like, we agree. So, pretty much days forward. So days are going by and managers really aren't talking to me. They're avoiding me, at all costs. No one's giving me an update. The lady in HR hasn't reached out to me. No update, nothing. So I kind of peeped it and I'm like, oh, okay, y'all are trying to ignore me because you guys don't want to reimburse me this money that I'm rightfully owed. Like, I don't see anything wrong with you guys reimbursing me the additional money I had to pay out to get my car back because you guys didn't pay me on time so I can pay my car note on time so I can keep my car in my possession. So I end up calling HR and I was talking to her like, hey, is there any way you can maybe talk to I'm not gonna say the name, but this particular person in regards to reimbursing me my $275 for the repossession fee. She's like, you know, definitely understand, Monica. You know, I'll talk to them, see what we can do, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So that day, she's supposed to call me back. She didn't. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and start looking for another job because you guys can't pay me on time. They had no sense of urgency. From what I heard, like, this is not the first time that something like this has happened. And I just didn't feel that it was a good company to work for overall. You guys are dodging me and you don't want to answer my questions, you know, give me any update, anything. So I started looking for a new job. So then the next day in like the afternoon, I get an email stating, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to reimburse you for whatever reason she stated. So I replied back with, okay, well, thank you for your time. Just to inform you, I am going to, you know, seek legal help in regards to the situation, since it was this company's fault as to why I was in the situation that I was in. And I left it at that. I got no response. You know, I guess maybe they're just trying to see if I'm bluffing, which I'm not, because I'm gonna figure out how. I don't know if I gotta file a small claim, like within my city, or I don't know, but I'm going to file a court case, and I'm gonna reach out to a lawyer. Like, I know that it's a small amount of money. It's $275. It's a small amount of money, not like it's thousands, but it's the principle. You guys didn't pay me on time, which you're supposed to do by law. You did not pay me on time. Therefore, I couldn't pay a particular bill on time, which resulted in my vehicle being taken away. You know, I chalked up me paying, you know, my car note that I missed, and, you know, the additional monies was my next car note just to be on the safe side. I don't mind all of that. But that extra $275 for the car being taken in the first place should be reimbursed to me. So, yeah. My excitement for that job quickly went down after I noticed the type of company that they are. So, yeah. Now I'm in the middle of trying to find either an attorney, not even necessarily to take the case, but someone to just guide me in the right direction so that I can get my money back because it's owed to me. And like, I have an email from HR to my car people, you know, admitting that it was their error and it was their fault on why the car was taken. So yeah. So I'm in the middle of looking for someone to at least give me some legal advice, or if I do need an attorney, you know, obtaining the attorney. Yeah, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm going to get my $275. Best believe, like, I'm not letting it go. You know, I have all paperwork. I have everything that I need. So yeah, there's a little update on that. I did leave that job, but your girl got a new job, okay? I got a new job and I start on Monday. So never going without a dollar. Never ever. So yeah, I'm super excited that I got a new job. I'm super excited that I cut that off. Like, I wasn't even there. I started in April. We're in June. Like, I wasn't even there 2 months. They showed their true colors within 2 months. But that's that. Yeah, ridiculous. But if you guys know what steps I need to take, feel free to comment them down below, because I need to get what's owed to me. Like, definitely. So yeah, if you have any information that is going to be helpful to my situation, go ahead and comment it down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video-ish. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.